Harvest time is close for local farmers and producers. This happens to be National Farm Safety Week. It's a chance to promote the safety and well-being of those out on the farm. Crops and equipment aren't immune to fire hazards. Local 4's Lindsay Tobin reports how you can prevent it.
On September 26, 2016, it was just like any other day. I got done with my field work, went into my mom's house to say goodbye, and that's when I saw it. The thick black smoke just consumed the air, and I knew it right away. I knew that was my dad. Not knowing what you're going to come into. Is he going to be dead? Is he alive? Did he make it out of there? That's the scariest part. When I started to pull out of the driveway, that's when I saw him barreling south down the gravel road, and it was instant relief. Like, thank God, you know, he was lucky. He was very lucky.
Grain dust, it's not super flammable, but it's very explosive. Mixed in the right atmosphere, and that little spark can make it go boom. And when that happens, then that stuff around it can catch fire, whether it be the belts or the grease and fuel on the combine or something from the engine compartment.
Dust and debris can build up very quickly, especially in dry conditions. Eldridge Fire Chief Keith Schneckloff strongly recommends blowing out the debris daily, if not more. He adds it's important to have multiple fire extinguishers in and around the equipment.
When you look at that fire and you say, can I put this out with one fire extinguisher? And if the answer in your head is no, that's time to get away and start getting that resources. I strongly encourage farmers to have a piece of tillage equipment lined up in the fall, or maybe even hooked up ready to go in the event something does happen.
Large engine fires cause approximately $20 million in property losses each year. Tilling around the fire not only keeps it contained until rescue personnel arrive, but can also save the rest of the crop in the field.
Being a farmer as well, I know a lot of the people in the surrounding area, and when you hear that address, even you can almost put it in your head right away of who it's going to be. The adrenaline factor kicks in, and you got to go because you got to save, neighbor A, B, or C, or help out neighbor A, B, or C, and it's just a difficult thing to try to go and then have to put on the different hat and go there as a rescuer versus just a friendly neighbor.
Farmers have a long tradition of quickly responding to their neighbors in need, a true testament to their communities. Reporting for Local 4 News, I'm Lindsay Tobin.